declared that AOC would be Employee of the Month because of the massive amounts of increases that they saw in Goya sales over the past year. Employee of the Month, probably the decade, to Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez, who in her short-sighted attempt to harm the company made it 1,000 times more profitable. I mean, I'd stop and think about that. Stop and think about that for 1 second. Let's say your company makes $1 million a year. And I know Goya makes more than that. But let's say you have a company that makes $1 million a year in profit. And then you are become 1,000 times more profitable. That means that within 1 year, you will go from making $1 million to $1,000 million, which I think is $1 billion. I don't know, it's a lot of money. Let me, for example, right now on Facebook, 5,000 people are watching us. And if AOC said, boycott the Mark Kaye Show, don't watch the Mark Kaye Show, tell everyone the Mark Kaye Show is horrible and should not be watched, which I would hope she does, because evidently that's the best way to gain new customers and clients and viewers, then we would get 1,000 times more viewers, which means we would go from 5,000